इतना खूबसूरत आसमान लगता है ना यहाँ पे जब भी मैं आता हूँ। अंदर ही अंदर मतलब गले तक ऐसे है ना, मतलब खिंची मची हुई है। और
我就去打篮球。
he's saying that when he feels low he goes and plays some basketball. रीजन समझ नहीं आ रहा कि ऐसे मूड क्यों ऑफ हो रहा है। Not because of your daughter or anything. You cannot have everything. हेलो एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग। स्वागत है आपका हमारे एक और नए व्लॉग में। और भाई आज पता नहीं यार, अजीब सा मूड रखा है, काफ़ी डिप्रेसिंग सा। कोई स्पेसिफिक रीज़न नहीं है, कई सारी चीज़ें बस ऐसे ही मूड ऑफ कर रही हैं। किसी चीज़ पे पर्टिकुलरली फिंगर नहीं रख पा रहा कि इसकी वजह से। काम से वापस घर आया तो बच्ची के साथ खेला थोड़ा बहुत, लेकिन ना कोई वीडियो बनाई ना कुछ। अंदर ही अंदर मतलब गले तक ऐसे है ना, मतलब खिंची मची हुई है। और वो इसलिए मच रही है कि रीज़न समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि ऐसे मूड क्यों ऑफ हो रहा है। एक तो हो ना कि आपको रीज़न पता हो तो आप उस चीज़ पे अपनी फ्रस्ट्रेशन निकाल लो। कुछ समझ ही नहीं आ रहा, अजीब सा बस अंदर से ऐसे कहते हैं ना उचाटी मची हुई है। तो अभी शाम के भाई कितना 8:12 रखे थे। यूजुअली हम इस टाइम तक तो वही जो रूटीन चल रहा है बच्ची के हिसाब से सोने चले जाते हैं। मैं नॉर्मली इस टाइम पे अपना व्लॉग जो है वो एडिट करना शुरू कर देता हूँ और फिर अपलोड कर देता हूँ। लेकिन आज ऑब्वियसली कुछ शूट ही नहीं किया था। फिर मेरे को लगा यार इस तरीके से तो सोया भी नहीं जाएगा, क्या करें। तो मैंने बस एक सीधा अपना मूड बनाया, मैं खड़ा हो और अपने जो ससुर जी थे उनको बोला कि चलो पास में ही जो अपने ये एक छोटा सा हिल है माउंट हॉब्सन, इस पे चलते हैं, बढ़िया सनसेट देख के आते हैं। गर्मियों में यहाँ पे सनसेट थोड़ा लेट होता है, इस तरह 8:30 या 9 बजे के आसपास। सर्दियों में जल्दी हो जाता है, शाम के 4 बजे के आसपास। तो इनको लेके आ गए। हेलो हेलो। तो इनकी भी वॉक हो जाएगी और हमारी भी वॉक हो जाएगी। कान में मैंने ये लगा ही रखा है अपना ट्रांसलेशन डिवाइस, इसको भी ऑन नहीं किया है इसलिए कुछ समझ नहीं पा रहे। जैसे ही मैं ऑन करूँगा उसके बाद हम आराम से बात कर सकते हैं। I don't know why but I was feeling very depressed today. No reason but it's just I was feeling very depressed and I just wanted to come out and change my mood before I go to sleep.
为什么？ What?
I don't know. No reason. I was just feeling really heavy in my chest.
是不是工作上遇到了？我看来，Where is it?
Which club? Yeah.
Yeah.
There is some
Okay.
other club as well, Rumera Club. Have you seen that? There was one more
Okay.
club. There's a Rumera Club behind our house. So that is also a nice club.
保龄球。有那个保龄球。俱乐部。
Yeah, yeah.
这是桥牌俱乐部。
Yeah, bowling area. There is a bowling area as well.
你是不是工作上遇到了什么？工作上遇到了什么？不顺心的事，说心情不太。
No, it was not related to work. It's just the life lately. I don't know. I don't know what it is. I can't even put a finger on it. It's just a lot of things going in the life currently. And I don't know. It doesn't usually happens with me, but I just felt like very overwhelmed with a lot of things. And like this routine which is going on in a loop. Can't even go anywhere to travel. Can't even go anything to do fun. It's just the life has just become very stagnant over and over again. I don't know what it is. I'm thinking it could be that.
这个可能也是正常的，你不可能每天都有新鲜的事物，不可能每天都有。
Yes, I can understand. But yeah,
还有
it's
呢
just
人的情绪，是吧？还有人的情绪，每个月它也是不同的时间，它是有起伏不定的，这个也是正常的。
最好玩的是什么？最好玩的。Yeah, that's the thing. I don't know why it happened, what triggered it. It's just my yeah, it's just my mood was not very good, and usually I don't go to sleep with such kind of a mood. Either I go for a run or something. But I already went for a run after my work. I went to gym, did my 5 kilometer run, but still it was not helping me. I don't know why. Even the workout didn't help me. So I just wanted to go out and have a nice sunset view. Maybe hoping that it will change something. Yeah. But I'm already feeling better. Like going out on this walk, I'm feeling much more better.
哦，那对，散步、体育锻炼、调节心情，这样的话呢，就会好一点。
Yeah.
我心情比较低落的时间，我就去打篮球。
Oh, he's saying that when he feels
Yeah.
low, he goes and plays some basketball.
Yeah.
Ah, I didn't know that he loves basketball.
就是运动嘛，通过运动来调节心情。
Yeah. That's true. That's what I do. Adjust my mood through exercise. But today, even the exercise didn't help me. I went for a 5 kilometer run. I did some exercise. Then I came home. But still, I was feeling like this kind of some burning sensation in my chest. It's like there is so much of agony that I want to let it out. But I don't know why it's coming, why it's happening. It's just too much of agony inside.
这个也是正常的，可能每个人都有每个人的难处，还有每个人不可能天天遇到高兴的事，他总会遇到一些不愉快的事，这是很正常的。
Yeah, yes. He was saying that it's very normal to have such feelings sometimes, but it's okay. Good that at least you are making sure that you are not sleeping with these feelings and you are trying to overcome them.
都是一样的，我有时也是这样，都是这样的。
Yes, yes. He's saying that make sure that it doesn't affect your work or your daily life. Make sure you don't sleep like this. That's exactly true. That's why I just came for this walk. It will really uplift our mood. It will be so good.
还不要影响你今晚睡觉，要休息好了，第二天情绪再好。还要人睡眠好了，第二天心情才会好。
Yep, yes. तो कह रहे हैं भाई कि अपना नींद पे ध्यान देना है, अपने आप को अच्छा रखना है. इस सब में कुछ नहीं रखा, परेशान होके बस अभी वॉक करेंगे और वॉक करके सब ठीक हो जाएगा. तो भाई चलते हैं ऊपर.
我觉得你们两个都，你跟心怡，你们两个都是比较
Look at
比较勤奋，比较
He's saying that I think. Thank you. He's saying that. He's saying that both of us are quite inseparable.
生活总会好起来的，生活总会好起来的。
Yes, life will always get better. That's what he's saying, and yes, I completely agree with you. And definitely, we are not separating. That's not the idea or thought in our head. It's just sometimes, you know.
你们女儿也很可爱，包括我每天看，对，是你们女儿也很可爱，然后她也会给你带来好的心情。包括我每天看到你女儿，我都很高兴。
Yes, he's saying that your daughter will uplift your mood. She's really cute. And he's saying he's very happy. I'm glad that you are happy. I want you to be happy and then don't worry. There is nothing.
我看到她笑，我感到很愉快，很高兴。对。
Yeah, there's nothing related to separation or anything. It's just today the mood was really low. Not because of your daughter or anything. Not because of the work. It's just I can't figure out what it is. It's just maybe this life which has turned up quite. I don't know. It's just too overwhelming. There's a lot of things happening currently in my life. So yeah, I don't know what it was, but it was just a something.
有压力也很正常的，人 每个人都有压力，除非是看每个人都有压力，特别是你们两个
Yeah.
年轻人嘛。
Yeah, he's saying it's normal to feel pressure
Yeah.
or stress. Yeah.
比新来的很多到新西兰移民的，比
Yeah.
年轻人都好，
He's saying that you guys are doing really
Yeah.
amazing.
有满意的工作。
Yeah, he's saying it that you both came from different
Hey.
countries, you have a settled life. So there's
比
nothing
很
better
多
than this.
比很多到新
And I agree. See,
Yeah.
that's the Rangitoto Island. Rangitoto. I
狼也偷偷岛
Rangitoto.
狼也偷偷。
And
火山
and
岛
I have taken some batches of students on that island. So that island, it's really good for hiking as well.
要坐船。
I took some students by a ferry to that island for a hike, like for a 2 nights camping. Yeah, you need a ferry.
那个岛要坐船过去吧？
And that is the Sky Tower in the middle of the city. And it's
Yeah.
almost time for sunset. I think the sun is setting over there. So let's go.
Yeah.
Oh, the sun has already set, yes. But it looks beautiful. Orange sky. Wow.
嗯，
बहुत खूबसूरत है भाई, बहुत ज़्यादा खूबसूरत है। ये देखो इतना खूबसूरत आसमान लगता है ना यहाँ पे जब भी मैं आता हूँ। बेस्ट सनसेट, बेस्ट व्यू, सुपर रिलैक्सिंग, सुपर मूड चेंजिंग, अमेजिंग। वाओ, look at this. I'm definitely going to miss this place when we are going to move to a new house, because this is actually just 100-200 meters away from our house right now. But obviously the new house might be having some really cool stuff around it. You have to make some sacrifices, don't you? You cannot have everything.
对，对，这个地方非常好，视野很开阔。原来我经常跑到这儿来。
Yes, he's saying that this place is really nice, so wide, and he used to come here often. Yes, it is really beautiful. Wow. Instantly my mood is feeling uplifted. That heaviness in the chest, it's getting lighter and lighter. Wow. Amazing. Every breath that I'm taking, it's like it's relieving that stress. Look at this. It's amazing. तो चल पड़े हैं भाई घर के लिए वापस। मज़े से अपना लाइव आए थे। अगर आप लोग लाइव आके हमसे बात नहीं कर पाए थे तब भी आप जाके मेरे प्लेलिस्ट में लाइव सेक्शन में अभी जो हम 5-10 मिनट पहले लाइव गए हैं वो वीडियो देख सकते हो। बढ़िया अपना सनसेट जो है वो एंजॉय किया, बढ़िया एकदम लाइव आए और अच्छे से मज़े लिए यार इस मौसम के। इसीलिए तो आए थे, मूड अपलिफ्ट करने के लिए, और काफ़ी अच्छा फील कर रहा हूँ। और अब चल पड़े हैं हम घर के लिए वापस। और इस टाइम हो चुका है 8:40 रात के, और अभी ऐसा मौसम है और अगले 10-15 मिनट में एकदम अंधेरा हो जाएगा। Thank you for coming on this amazing walk with me. I'm already feeling so better, so good.
我也想散步的，我本身也想散步的，每天晚上很好，可以今天出来散步，感到很愉快。
Oh, he's saying that he originally wanted to take a walk as well, and he usually do that, and it makes him really happy. All right then, we'll see you guys in the next vlog. Thankfully this vlog was made, otherwise there was no intention to make any vlog tonight. I just wanted to go to sleep, but good that we came for a walk and it was made. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and stay positive, stay happy. If you are not feeling happy like I was not, just try to find your happiness by some way. Just go out, do some physical activity or something, I don't know. Alright guys, see you in the next vlog. Until then, bye bye.